Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to my channel. Sa lahat po na naghahanap sa Batangas area ng property with 2-story fully furnished rest house, this is it. Ang lot area po niya is 1,000 square meter with floor area of 350 square meter. Ayan po yung baba. 6 bedroom with toilet and bath na po siya. 6 car garage or car parking with garden, with swimming pool. Hindi po nagamit masyado to ni owner dahil the reason na for sale po itong property to dahil it's magpo-for goods na po yung pamilya ni seller. Ayan po pagmasdan nyo, yung nasa video, fully furnished na po siya. Ang presyo, negotiable po sa seller once mag-viewing. Ang documents po, pwedeng mag-ask ng soft copy kay seller once na nagustuhan po yung property. Ang kagandahan po ng property, yung likod po niyan is viewing ng mountain. Kaya, ayan po, sa lahat po ng interested potential buyer, mag-Viber lang po kayo sa akin. Ayan po yung swimming pool nila. Pinaputulan yung mga bamboo tree kasi nung bumagyo, ngayon pinaputulan nila yan. Ayan po yung swimming pool nila. Hindi po nila pina-Airbnb yan. Sila talaga ang gumamit niyan. May caretaker po sila. May isang house po yan sa caretaker at maids. All in all, ang lot area is 1,000 square meter with swimming pool, fully furnished, with 6 bedroom, 6 toilet and bath, with small house, for the caretaker and maids. Ayan po, makikita nyo naman po yung video. Ayan, maganda po yung pagkakagawa ng bahay. 2-story house lang po siya. Fully furnished na po. Makipag-negotiate lang po sa owner once na nakapag-viewing at interested to buy talaga yung property. Sa Balayan, Batangas po yung location. Direct inbox me 0933-813-7110. 1,000 square meter lot area, 2-story rest house, fully furnished at Balayan, Batangas with garden, with swimming pool, with view of mountains at the back of the house. Yes, yo! Fully furnished, 2-story rest house. Ayan po yan. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. May garden. Press A.